Good morning, we are headed to the show. It is 7:06 a.m. We had a small breakfast. It'll hold us for like 10 minutes hopefully. No, I'm just kidding, but we'll see everybody there.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out.
What is going on, guys? LS Fest East 2023, day 2 at Auto Addict's booth and Wood Supply. We're super excited. Lots of more people than yesterday. A lot of people are coming out to see what's going on. Lots of carbon fiber mods as we added on these cars. Let's go ahead and go over every single car and see what Auto Addict did add. Let's get started. All right, guys, I got my boy Jonathan's car right next to me. Just got wrapped for LS Fest 23. As you can see, he is equipped with a Z28 rear spoiler and the UMBRA taillights, our awesome signature taillights that we launched for the 1415. What do you guys think he should add next on his SS1 LE? Should we do an Evo diffuser, maybe a matte finish? Let us know in the comments, but right behind me, there's some awesome cars. Let's go ahead and dive into it more. All right, guys, Reckless Raquel, the one and only Gen 5, probably one of the most brightest wraps that you'll see on the market. It's like a lavender purple, light purple. Got a lot of carbon fiber that's contrasted with this. As you can see, these are the Gen 5 carbon fiber fenders with 1/2 inch wideness and exposed carbon fiber. Super aggressive, gives her skinnies a better much fitment and an aggressive stance. All right, guys, as you can see right here, our ZR signature Gen 5 10 and 15 fitment, rocking it with the ZL1 conversion Gen 5 as well. This hood will fit the ZL1 conversion 6th gen style and the OEM bumper, and also the ZL1 Gen 5 style. Super excited. It is double-sided carbon fiber with a full functional vent right in the middle. Carbon shine, we're not done yet. Let me take you guys to the back, equipped with the ZL1 10 and 13 fitment trunk spoiler with the wicker bill, giving the car a much more simple stance and an aggressive look. All right, guys, we're not done yet. This is the first 10 and 13 Evo diffuser pre-order that we have on our website. This is the prototype. As you can see, it will fit a quad and a single tip with a very aggressive shark fins and a hexagon Evo style equipped on the actual mold. We are in mass production right now as we speak, so all the pre-order is very, very appreciated. But as you can see, you get to finally see it, and we get to see it in person being rocked on Reckless Raquel's Gen 5. All right, guys, OEM tires are off. That means it's show ready and drag ready. This is Alexis's Gen 6 Camaro SS, fully boosted with wicked performance. Now, with that being said, the first product that we started out when we met Alexis was the ZL1 1LA high spoiler, one of our top seller products. We have it available for the 10 to 15 Gen 5 fitment, which we'll show you guys in a bit. And we also have it for the 2016 all the way up to 2024. Really aggressive product. We'll get you guys a close-up look so you guys can see all the details that's equipped on this product. All right, one of our most pre-ordered hottest hood that we have on our website right now, the Terminator GT style with the aggressive middle scoop with 3 functional vents right in the middle. As you guys see right here, this is equipped on her boosted SS, allowing the car to give it an aggressive look, and the full functional air vents that allows it to breathe with all the power that Alexis is pushing. All right, guys, got a beautiful Gen 5 bright hot red right next to me, equipped with Auto Addict from bumper to bumper. This car traveled 10 hours to be parked in our booth in LS Fest 2023. So we just want to say thank you, Mike, for giving us the opportunity to work with you and also meeting you right away, which is an awesome experience to talk to you and see what we can do more to this car. As you can see, there's a lot has been done right here, and yes, there's still more coming from Mike, but let's kind of go over what we got over here. It is a convertible. You're seeing some parts that you're probably not used to seeing on a convertible, and how did we make it happen for Mike, and who installed it for him, and all that good stuff. Let's dive into all the details. All right, first and foremost, when it comes to a convertible, we get a lot of questions, guys. Can the ZL1 1LE carbon fiber spoiler that we offer fit on a convertible? The answer is yes, if you have a guy that knows exactly what they're doing. You do have to mount these holes to make sure they're fully flush, and on top of that, the customer from his old previous OEM trunk had existing holes. So he had 2 options to go with. Either we cover him up, or he buys another 1415 trunk and just paints it satin black or matte black with the look that he's going, and it makes his life a little bit easier. Therefore, he went with that option. He had us sell him a 1415 OE trunk and the carbon fiber spoiler and painted over it in matte black. All right, guys, our signature UMBRA RGB finish It's kind of funny, every single Gen 5 has 3 of our tail lights that we offer for the Gen 5. There's one with Velux, one with UMBRA, and this one, the UMBRA RGB finish. So as you can see, it's kind of bright right now. The sun is hitting the RGB, but there is a chasing flow RGB series that's going on in the taillights right now as we speak. It's a very 3D aggressive look. Hopefully it shows a little bit right here because it's kind of shadow area, but you can see the flow series or the patterns of the RGB going all around to make sure it's equipped the right way. Going down to the bumper, which is my favorite part that we've been selling extremely well, and without you guys' support and believing in us, we wouldn't be making this product. So thank you guys for everybody for equipping your Camaro with the Evo diffuser that fits a single tip or a quad tip. As you can see, this is a single tip, so therefore the attachment was added on the rear diffuser, giving the car a much more aggressive stealth look with the look that it deserves, being more aggressive, because that OEM diffuser is kind of boring and there's not a lot going on in there. So you got to get yourself a set of Evo diffuser. You would have it in matte black or gloss. For this reason, the customer went with matte to match the theme that he went on the back with the contrast of the red and the matte black. Right in the front over here, he's got 2 mods that we've added on his vehicle. The Terminator Gen 5 carbon fiber hood that he had us paint matte black to match with the theme that he's going with the back, giving the car a full functional middle scoop and 3 scoops or 3 vents on each side, giving the car a much more aggressive look, lining up with the OEM factory bumper. Right in the front, as you can see, he's equipped with the RGB set of headlights. What he did to those headlights is we added the RGB strips in flow series, and everything is Bluetooth controlled with the chasing halos. As you can see, the halos going all around and giving the car a much more aggressive look to match with the taillights on UMBRA's being RGB as well. So therefore, the headlights are fully equipped and the taillights all color change, controlled via Bluetooth. Alright guys, so this is an SS1LE, another white, simple looking. My guy Tyler right here has been modifying his car with us for quite some time, and we got to know him a lot actually. We got to meet him in person. He's actually in our booth with us, and he loves the simplicity but eye-catching mod that is gonna make his car pop. So with that being said, as you can see, the Gen 6 ZL1 1LE track package kit is equipped on this beautiful car with the lower grille popping out, giving it a 3D aggressive look, and the fog light with the bezels as well. Now, the touch that he added with us is our carbon fiber lower chin splitter that allows the car just to give it a nice aggressive clean look without having to worry about any paint damage or all that good stuff. I believe this is coated or PPF to protect it from the rock chips, but as you can see, another nice touch to it as well. This is the SS OEM hood, so therefore it's equipped to line up with the body lines of the Gen 6 ZL1 conversion bumper. Super aggressive, lots going on, but let me show you guys what we got in the back with this beautiful car. All right guys, these are some, what I think they're underrated taillights, and you guys need to give more attention to the Velux taillights. One of the reasons why is they already come, I understand a lot of people like the smoky ones, which is the UMBRA stunts that we offer, but the Velux comes in a nice aggressive luxury red lenses that contrasts with the gloss black housing, so therefore also matches the third brake light that comes with the Gen 5. But if you guys are interested, I highly recommend trying out a set of Velux, giving the car a much more aggressive look and a 3D stand.